Welcome to Vet Mod Reviews.
Today we're tackling brakes. Went to O'Reilly's on Highway 85. Ask for Marlon. He'll give you 10% off your brakes if you mention Vet Mod Review. They were very professional. Grabbed some brake cleaners while I was up there. Make sure you corner your vehicle. Prior to jacking the vehicle, make sure you loosen the lugs prior to jacking it. Use your jack stand, put it on the frame of the vehicle so you won't damage your vehicle. Once it's lifted, then you can remove the lugs and remove the tire. Remove the first pin, second lock pin, you slide it right out. Remove the back plate. Let go of your brakes. Pretty worn out. I had to remove the calipers completely. It was kind of hard to compress. I removed the first bolt right here, and the second bolt. Use a C-clamp to compress it. Then I put the bolts back in. Before I tighten the bolts, I made sure everything was seated properly. This wire right here comes with the brakes. Make sure you replace it. Make sure you put the grease on the right side. Don't put it on the pad, put it on the back side of the brakes, or you'll go slide. Put it on the back side. Put your lugs back on prior to lowering the vehicle. Tighten it with your hands as much as you can before lowering the vehicle. Once it's on the ground, then you tighten it. After that, took it to Noble's car wash. It was very good, it was very professional.
Neighbor Car Wash, Fayetteville, Georgia. Actually get 15% off on the first car wash. We at 650 West Bridge Road, Fayetteville, Georgia. Vet Mod Reviews, come check us out.